like to share this nature friend who landed on me an opportunity to practice mindfulness with a nature being. And what you do is you say hello to your nature friend, bring it close to your eyes, just notice its details. All the things that make it special. You can also bring it to your nose and give it a good scent, good smell. This one surprisingly smelled quite sweet. You can even bring your nature friend to your ear and see if it makes a sound. Really feel it against your skin. If you're feeling adventurous, you might even give it a taste. These ways we can explore our nature friends, bringing mindfulness into our connection with nature.